I won't get you. Go see Lucas.
Aww.
Go give him his bag. Go give him his bag. Get it off the door, Livy. Can you hand it to him? Olivia, come get it off the door and hand it to him. Remember, we're not staying.
You're so sweet.
Oh. You what?
I haven't finished mine yet.
Oh, girl. I got your bag.
Get off the table, please. Can you say hello?
And what do you say to him, Liv? What do you say to Lucas? What's today? Say Happy Valentine's Day. Tell Lucas Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
What do you tell Olivia? Say Happy Valentine's Day?
Don't do this.
Don't get it, Divvy. You better give me a kiss. Happy Valentine's Day.
Say thank you, Miss Sam.
Thank you, Miss.
You're welcome, buddy.
Miss Sam is on top of it.